Hi, this time I am here to explain OCR solution without any plugin. Right? So I have created some tables to store the data. Okay, and I created one trigger here, and I created the one table here. So now I started the OCR solution without any plugin. So first we have to be analyze how to do what this. Suppose so this is my uh, data file. So I am using some passport sample like this. So and I click on start OCR. So I got the data like this. See passport, Americans, address, name, whatever write on the passport, and this is the JSON data that I captured. Now if I want to be see these data in the table, so I click the save. So I got the data here. Correct. Also I have to restore another file like yes, and the sample, where is the sample? See, this is another sample. So I click on the start OCR, so I got the data. This is the Indian passport, and this is the JSON. Now I see, so I got the table on the table. Okay. So how I did achieve this? So these are my sum items component, whatever I used. This is my table to show the data here. Okay, and this is the processing. When I click on the save, the OCR data is inserting here. And so this is the upload item. I am using the textarea application, and this is the button to save the OCR. So I click using the one function to start the OCR. Click on the save and show the result in these two items. So where is the function? So this is the function Here is the three types of selector. Okay. So this is the input and this is the text conversion and this is the JSON output. So I am using the OCR image parser Flash API and this is split in another things like this one, this one, this one, and these two items I have the to the text and to the JSON, and so by this method we are avoiding to save data on the Google Drive. If you have the enough space and you want to be your data in your workspace, so you can use this type of OCR conversion. Otherwise, if you don't mind your data in save on the Google Drive third parties, so you can use the API plugin too. But if you don't want to your data sharing with the third party, so you can use this type of functionality in the your application. Okay, fine.